Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by isolating the workpiece and clearing nearby surfaces. Remove hardware that will get in the way. Put on an organic vapor respirator, chemical-resistant gloves, and eye protection because solvents can harm you. Apply a generous, even coat of remover with a brush or plastic spreader and press it into corners. You want full wetting. Once done, let the product dwell for the label-specified time so it softens finished layers. Shorter times won't lift old paint, and longer times can oversoften substrate. You start scraping with a plastic or wood scraper to avoid gouging the substrate. Hold scraper at a low angle so you shave finish off, not dig. When layers remain, recoat only the stubborn regions and let the remover work again. Patience prevents damage. For intricate moldings, use brass bristle brush or steel wool lightly. Make sure to re-wet areas so the product stays active. After you remove most finish, neutralize or wipe with the label-recommended cleaner so residue won't interfere with sanding or new coatings. You finish by sanding exposed surfaces progressively. Start with 120 grit to remove uneven spots, then blend with 180-220 grit for a uniform texture. Make sure to feather at transitions so new finish lays flat. Clean the surface of any solvent residue and let the piece dry thoroughly, often 24 hours in well-ventilated space. If the finish rehardens or is gummy, don't force it. Reapply remover to that patch. Allow extra dwell time and repeat scraping. This avoids substrate damage and ensures a clean base for refinishing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.